என் லிங்க் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல இருக்கிறேன். Hello, welcome to all the viewers. A very good afternoon to all. Welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel. Myself, VETRILIVE, Unacademy plus physics educator, having more than 28 years of experience in this field. Today, we are going to mainly discuss the aspirants who are looking for Karnataka CET 2021. For them, the new syllabus, the weightage area, which are the chapter they need to concentrate more. Let us discuss very minutely. Before moving into that, Unacademy plus subscription. Unacademy is the #1 online platform coaching in India. The best plan for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. There are many full syllabus batches going on. Comprehensive batch is live for complete syllabus preparation, and champion batch, and even for Kannada medium student there is a separate batch. So the aspirant, those who are looking for 2021 Karnataka CET, this is the best platform to gain and secure good result in Karnataka Common Entrance Examination 2021. So in this Unacademy Plus, the best plan for KCET 2021 aspirants, the premium content at affordable price, structured live courses and dedicated live doubt clearing session, quiz at regular interval for the self-analysis, batch for complete preparation. As I mentioned, there are many batches going on. You can choose it as your wish, right? Everything will be in single subscription for unlimited access. The test series for daily practice papers, full length and mock test, etc. with analysis. Everything will be in a single subscription for unlimited access. So learners, why to wait still? So use my code VETRILIVE and subscribe. You can get additional benefit, right? So Unacademy plus subscription will go for is the best one. Let us now move to Karnataka Common Entrance Examination. We know that every year it is conducted by KEA, Karnataka Examination Authority. We all know that either in English and Kannada, both languages it's conducted. And KCET 2021, the physics new syllabus, right, for first PU. And you all are aware of that. Karnataka CET maximum weightage is given to second PU syllabus, right? Generally, when you analysis the previous year question paper all, it will be almost 45 questions from second PU and 15 questions from first PU, right? Almost sometime 40-20 plus or minus 5 will vary. right? So the KCET 2021 Physics new syllabus. For first PU, let us discuss first physical world. That is introduction, the scope of physics, technology in society, fundamental forces in nature, physics and physicists, their invention, they may test you. It is very few every year. Maybe a single question may or may not appear. Physical world. But motion in straight line. It is very important in kinematic chapter. Position, displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration, kinetic or kinematic equation of accelerated motion. We all know the area where the question will arrive every year based on this kinematic equation of uniformly accelerated motion. In case for a body projected vertically upward using kinematic equation, problems will be, or when a body falls freely from certain height for freely falling bodies, right? So mainly you need to focus this chapter. Compulsory you will get the question accelerated motion, whether it is projected vertically upward or freely falling body. In this area we need to concentrate apart from speed and velocity. Especially they will go for instantaneous velocity and then relative velocity. Using relative velocity, the umbrella rain problem, at what angle you have to hold the umbrella in the direction of rain, and then boat river problem, how to cross the river with the shortest time and the shortest distance, that related every year they will concentrate. So focus on this chapter, very important, motion in a straight line, right? Then next, it is a laws of motion, mainly laws of motion, Newton's laws, first law, second law and third law, and law of conservation of linear momentum and collision. Based on these concepts only you can expect the numericals, especially impulse, Newton's second law using F equal m into a, and conservation of linear momentum, momentum related problem, collision, before and after collision, the velocity calculation, right? Then circular motion. These concept oriented only you will expect the question in KCET. And another important chapter, system of particles and rotational motion. In this system of particle and rotational motion, majorly question will be focused either from angular velocity and linear velocity, V equal to R omega, torque and angular momentum, and moment of inertia and center of mass related problem. This is the more important this area, right? The rigid body, translatory motion, rotatory motion, center of mass of two particle system, and motion of center of mass, angular velocity with relation to the linear velocity, that is V equal to R omega, and then the moment of force, nothing but torque, and angular momentum L. These related, this is generally the children will feel a difficult area in this chapter. System of particle and rotational motion. Here surely we can expect, right, 2 or 3 questions. So this important chapter you need to focus mainly these concepts, that are center of mass and motion of center of mass, angular momentum, torque and moment of inertia, parallel axis theorem, perpendicular axis theorem related. And then the next topic, mechanical properties of solids, and we have similarly mechanical properties of fluids also. In this equally, right? Either one from solid, one from fluids question you may expect. So mechanical properties of solids, mainly the elasticity, plasticity, Young modulus. The three types of modulus, mainly Young modulus, rigidity modulus, bulk modulus. Based on this, every year, even the recent question paper also, it is related to Young modulus, right? So bulk modulus and rigidity modulus related formulae question you can expect. And application of elastic behavior of material, I-beam, I-shaped beam, and other bridges construction time, how to calculate the behavior of elastic behavior of material related questions you can expect here. Mechanical properties of solids. Similarly, in case of mechanical properties of fluids, we can go for density, pressure concept related problem, and surface tension, angle of contact. The recent question paper also, it is surface tension, angle of contact related problems appeared. And this area, fluids, Bernoulli's theorem, Pascal law, that basic concept related even theoretical question may appear. So mechanical properties of fluids also an important topic that you need to focus. Then thermal properties of matter. Here the thermal properties of matter, temperature and heat, the main concept, the different types of temperature scale, Celsius scale, Reamer scale, Kelvin scale, and Fahrenheit scale. So these interrelationship you must learn, and thermal expansion of liquid, especially the focus should be on specific heat capacity, thermal capacity or heat capacity. Specific heat capacity, that is, we know specific heat S equal mc delta T. Using related formula, you can get the problem every time. Calorimetry, it is, we all know, the branch of physics which deals with study of heat and their measurement. So specific heat related problem, and latent heat, the hidden heat. Latent heat L, that means quantity of heat Q equal M into L. The latent heat related problem, heat transfer, right? Conduction, convection, radiation. There only you will get, right, black bodies, perfect black body, absorber best one, and then Wien's formulae, right? Newton law of cooling. These are all will come under heat transfer area. So thermal properties of matter, we need to focus mainly specific heat and latent heat problem, right? And then the kinetic theory of gases, right? In this kinetic theory of gases, Dalton law, mainly Gay-Lussac law, we all know, right? Avogadro law, Pascal law, and Boyle's law, right? So these areas, using one of the laws, you may expect theoretical question, plus behavior of gases, kinetic theory, and pressure of an ideal gas, P equal 1 by 3 rho VQ, right? The pressure of an ideal gas equation using, you may expect the problems. Law of equipartition energy, specific heat capacity, right? So kinetic theory of gases, mainly the law related, right? Boyle's law, right? Dalton, Gay-Lussac law, Avogadro law. Related to this, you may expect definitely a question. So kinetic theory is an important area. Then finally come to the waves. In this, Definitely the sure short question using Doppler effect, right? If this wave, transverse wave, longitudinal wave, the related terms, amplitude, phase, frequency, wave velocity, right? So based on this concept, you may get your problems, and speed of longitudinal wave, and more importantly it was Doppler effect problem. Surely every time they will go for Doppler effect numerical. In that case, at various position, when the source is stationary, observer is moving towards stationary source, or vice versa. When the observer is stationary, when the source is moving towards stationary observer, or when both are moving towards or both are moving away. In this various condition, the formulae you need to keep in mind. So you will get compulsory a problem from the wave chapter, right? So that keep in mind. Even using SHM, simple harmonic motion, right? Simple harmonic motion, SHM equations, basic equation, and Doppler effect. In these two, you will get definitely a numerical, right? So, and motion in a, before that, yes, units and measurement, right? One compulsory question, right? That is the errors measurement. Generally, they will go for a percentage error calculation, or it will be a dimensional formula. The basic, they will give you either write the dimensional formula for capacitance or resistance, or coefficient of viscosity eta, right, or epsilon naught. We need to focus that area, the constant, right, which have dimensional formula. So units and dimension, you will get questions. Main focus on percentage of error calculation, and second is dimensional formula for a physical quantity and their application, right? And motion in a plane, it is projectile motion. The major importance you need to focus on motion in a plane 2D, two-dimensional motion is uniform circular motion, one, and second you need to focus is projectile motion. That means that's a given time of flight, time of ascent, time of descent, and moreover, whenever a body is projected from certain height, horizontally when you project it, right, and from the top of the tower when you project a body vertically upward, in the two cases you may expect a problem. So motion in a plane is important area. You need to focus only these two: uniform circular motion and projectile motion. Projectile motion in case of a body projected horizontally from the top of the tower, and a body projected vertically upward from the top of the tower. In these two you need to focus it. And work, energy, power, right? In work, energy, power, it's mainly kinetic energy and potential energy and law of conservation of mechanical energy. So this area only they may concentrate, and other important formulae concept is power. How much power required for a pump to lift water from the ground, from the 20 feet down, right? So power related problem you may ask. So this area you need to go for the vector, scalar product, and vector product any problem, and potential, kinetic energy formulae using numerical, and most importantly power related problem. How much power required to lift a load or the water from the depth, that problem every time they will go ahead. So important chapter. And other most important chapter is gravitation, right? Using universal law of gravitation and escape velocity, orbital velocity. These three concepts keep in mind. Universal law of gravitation using that formulae, and escape velocity, orbital velocity related only. Go ahead, definitely you can get. This is the most important topic, gravitation. Every year paper compulsory question will be there. Then mechanical properties of fluids, already I said, right? It's a Pascal law, right? Bernoulli's principle, right? And viscosity, surface tension, angle of contact. This concept only you need to focus it. Thermodynamics, it is heat and internal energy, right? Zeroth law, first law, mainly numerical will be first law related problem, right? Change in internal energy, right? Then heat engine, right? Heat engine related numerical process. Thermodynamic process in the sense isothermal adiabatic process. So based on that numerical problem you may expect. And in oscillation, that is simple harmonic motion, as I said, SHM, right? SHM equation related general simple harmonic motion equation we have. So based on that numerical you will get, and very rare for damped simple harmonic motion. Mainly they will go for the energy in SHM and simple harmonic motion system executing SHM. So these are the topics, right? Those you are looking for 2021, right? Now, so far we discussed the first PU important topics, right? That is for 2021 KCET physics syllabus. Now let us move to second year syllabus, right? Before that, welcome to again, once again I appeal all the learners. It is a wonderful opportunity for you people all, so that for your preparation will be reach the maximum. Definitely you will get the good score once you opt to join for Unacademy Plus course. So don't forget, use my code VETRILIVE and subscribe and follow my Unacademy channel, so you will get more information and courses. Right, here there are champion batch and comprehensive batch and other Kannada batch. Everything is going on. You can choose it. The complete syllabus coverage and learn from the best educator of KCET in 2021. Detailed explanation for each topic and for your better understanding. Right? So tips and tricks to save the time and to score better mark and shortcut. Everything will be detailed you will get during this, right, batch course and others. Everything for single subscription. You can go for even a trial monthly plan for 2250, then you will see the difference, right? So why to wait? Today itself enroll yourself and use my code VETRILIVE. Right, now let us see that Karnataka CET second year syllabus, right? Electric charges and field. Major question every year will be based on electric field and Coulomb's law based problem, right? The Coulomb force between the 2 point charges. Electric charge Q equal to plus or minus Ne. The quantization of charge rule using problem will be electric field, Coulomb force, you need to focus. And current electricity, other most important topic, right? So Ohm's law related problem, cells connected in series, right? And Kirchhoff rules. So based on compulsory problem will be from current electricity chapter. So you need to focus more on this static electricity in the sense that include electric potential and capacitance connected in series parallel related problem. Current electricity resistivity, cells in series parallel Kirchhoff rules. Based on problem, you need to focus more. And magnetism matter. Here, dipole in a uniform magnetic field, right? Gauss law in magnetism, and permanent and electromagnet based on the concept for theoretical question. Maximum, right? This chapter every year you will get one theoretical question. So try to focus, right? Bar magnet basic, uniform magnetic field, Gauss law in magnetism, earth magnetism, right? The dip declination horizontal component of earth magnetic field. Based on that you will get the question. More important chapter, magnetism and matter. Come to alternating current. AC current is a compulsory numerical problem you will get definitely. It is mainly AC voltage applied to a pure resistor, AC voltage applied to a pure capacitor, AC voltage applied to a pure inductor, and LCR circuit, right? Inductor, capacitor, resistor connected circuit. Combination of that LCR circuit problem you may expect every time. Then resonance, power in an AC circuit, and transformer ratio related numerical you may expect. So AC current is another important chapter. You need to focus these concepts. Then come to ray optics and optical instrument. Here the ray optics, majorly refraction will be the focus, either lens or prism, right? Refraction through prism formula using problem when the prism is at minimum deviation position, right? And then refraction by lenses, major focus you have to give for lens formula using problem and lens maker formula, cutting of lenses and silvering of lenses, combination of lenses. So in this area surely you will get the problem. So this chapter is another important area. Optical instrument only you can see that simple microscope and compound microscope, that's it, right? Spherical mirror is only mirror formula based on, yes. Then dual nature of radiation and matter. This another easy and interesting important chapter, dual nature of radiation and matter, right? Mainly here Einstein photoelectric equation, right? The photoelectric equation of Einstein, right? And types of electron emission, Leonard and Hallwalk observation, and matter waves or de Broglie wave. That is the most important. The problem you may get either using that electron volt, that is Einstein photoelectric equation based, or they will go for de Broglie wavelength. So even recent exam also using de Broglie wavelength the question appeared. So your focus should be Einstein photoelectric equation and de Broglie wavelength, right? That two concept focus in this chapter you will get surely. And then the nuclei. In this nuclei chapter, mainly we all know atomic number, mass number based on this, and mass energy equivalence, E equal to mc square based on that, and size of the nucleus, R equal to R naught a power 1 by 3 based on that problem. And mainly you can expect most important is radioactivity, right? So half-life period, mean life period, and radioactivity, right? Using the derivation, that formula n equal to n naught a power 1 by 3, right? So based on this radioactivity, size of the nucleus and mass energy relation, surely you will get a problem. nuclear fission and fusion, theoretical concept, keep in mind. Right? This chapter, that is more you need to focus. And the communication system, right? Like a first two chapter in first year, this is least weightage, right? The communication system, the bandwidth signal, right? And modulation, right? The basic terminology related, you may expect a theoretical question sometime, or they will go for the bandwidth of TV signal and radio waves and others, right? So you may expect a question sometime they may miss this chapter also. But rarely one question is coming, have an idea. Electrostatic potential and capacitance. Here we know that parallel plate capacitor, right? Dielectrics, right? These only mainly capacitor oriented problem, either series combination or parallel combination or capacitor, parallel plate capacitor, energy stored capacitor will be more important. Then moving charges and magnetism, always write Lorentz force formulae and magnetic field at a point on the axial line of the circular loop carrying current formulae, conversion of moving coil galvanometer into ammeter and voltmeter, that is another very important conversion of MCG into ammeter voltmeter, ampere circuital law based on this problem, keep in mind. And cyclotron, right? Theoretical concept, keep in mind. Come to electromagnetic induction. In this, the Faraday law, Lenz law based on concept, and AC generator, induced EMF E equal E naught sin omega t. Based on this problem, have an idea. Electromagnetic waves. This is the least chapter, right? Weightage is very less. Usually displacement current, Ampere, Maxwell law, they may go for theoretical concept. Wave optics, Huygens principle, and majorly we all know fringe width based on interference, Young double slit experiment and single slit experiment. Compulsory problem you will get, right? So keep in mind, Young double slit experiment, fringe width related problem you may get surely. And in atom, radius of Bohr's model of an atom, radius and total energy related problem, and energy level related problem you may get. So Bohr's second postulate is very important, this area. And the last one, semiconductor electronics, right? Here you need to focus mainly diode and transistor. Diode, PN junction diode, their properties, right? Even forward bias, reverse bias. Similarly, the transistor oscillator, right? Transistor, how it is act as a amplifier, switch and oscillator, digital electronics, and logic gate is more important. So this logic gate, every time they will go for either truth table or the symbol. So this chapter, problem plus numerical, additionally theoretical question will be every time asked. So focus on this chapter, more important, right? Generally the weightage in percentage wise I am saying, usually we know second year has more weightage when compared to first year. So see that AC current 4%, modern physics 6%, electrostatics 8%, ray optics 8%, nucleus chapter 6%, current electricity 6%, electromagnetic induction 6%, wave optics 9%, wave motion 5%, heat and thermodynamics will be 8%, right? And similar all first year portion remaining will be very least one. So I hope today so far you got an idea where which chapter we need to focus on first and second PU, right? So keep on watching and subscribe Unacademy plus subscription, and Unacademy is the best plan for you and for your KCET preparation. So myself VETRILIVE, Unacademy plus physics educator, signing up from you. Don't forget to press the bell icon and like it, and use my code VETRILIVE for the subscription of Unacademy app, right? So thank you for all the viewers. We will meet you the next YouTube class. alternate days. With that, I am going to present you the strategy how to score best mark in 2021 KCET. With that plan, I am signing off from you all. We will meet you in the next class. Till then, bye. Thank you for all the viewers. Close one. Nothing close one. I have to close it. How to close it here?